How would it feel if this summer you could learn how to make 30K in the next 90 days? Imagine how that would change your summer. The freedom, the experiences, the joy. This is Emma. A few months ago, she was struggling to make ends meet, worried about how to provide for her family. One day, she came across this opportunity.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity.
Skeptical but hopeful, she decided to learn more. Emma decided to take the leap. She typed "ready" in the comments and began her journey. Day by day, Emma followed the steps, and soon her hard work paid off. She made 30K in 90 days, transforming her summer and her life. Emma's story could be your story. If you want to learn more about the process she followed, just put "ready" in the comments below. I would absolutely love to share this with you.